100 Modern Bathroom Design Ideas, 2023. Top 10 Bathroom Remodeling Ideas to Transform Your Space in 2023. Just keep watching. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel, where we explore the world of interior design and home renovation. Today's video brings you the much-awaited second part of our series on the best bathroom remodel ideas. If you haven't watched the first part yet, make sure to check it out for some incredible inspiration. Without further ado, let's dive into today's 10 fantastic bathroom remodeling ideas. Creative lighting ideas. When it comes to creating a beautiful ambiance in the bathroom, lighting plays an essential role. Utilize creative solutions, such as sleek fixtures, such as pendant lights, recessed lights, and wall sconces, for added style that will illuminate the space nicely. Experiment with various layers of lighting. Flanking mirrors, or adding backlighting, are just some options out there. Plus, don't forget ambient illumination, which can alter your room's mood entirely. With clever use of different light ideas, you'll be able to create an inviting environment full of functionality and beauty within no time. Colorful accents. Incorporate bright details into your bathroom updates, like bath towels, rugs, and art for a livelier feel. Enhance the existing look of the room, or create an eye-catching contrast by introducing paint in various shades, from deep blues to vibrant jewel tones. It can make all the difference in your space without having to completely revamp its color scheme during remodeling. From adding lively accents such as these, you'll have endless possibilities when it comes to sprucing up this area of your home. Smart bathroom technology. Incorporating contemporary bathroom technology into your redesign is a great way to modernize and upgrade the room. Smart features, such as digital taps, interactive LED mirrors, privacy glass that can be adjusted with ease, and refrigerated cabinets for storage purposes, plus smart showers and toilets, are all ideal additions when it comes to revamping a space's efficiency and luxury factors. To create an environment that combines innovation along with practicality while performing your own bathroom remodel, look at introducing gadgets like waterproof TVs or voice assistants using AI alongside magical-looking mirrors too. By incorporating these advanced technological tools into any given design of the bathroom, you'll get yourself an updated atmosphere on top of functional amenities. Glass shower enclosures. Give your bathroom an upgrade with the contemporary look of a glass shower enclosure. There are various styles to choose from: frameless, semi-frameless, and framed, as well as varied thicknesses of glass that can be incorporated into any bathroom remodel ideas. Not only will it add beauty, but it will also provide more open space. Other materials used for showers, such as prefabricated units or fused poly-pan tile options, tend to be budget-friendly solutions when doing a renovation job on your bathroom. Installing this type of shower area is sure to give you the chic result desired, while being mindful of cost at the same time. Mixing materials. During your bathroom remodel, it's easy to add a unique and interesting aesthetic by blending materials such as wood, metal, stone, and more. These artistic combinations can give the space dimension while also showing off your style. Think chrome fixtures paired with gold or silver metallic shades, for example. Not only will you create an attractive look in the bathroom, but mixing diverse elements may save money too. So, don't hesitate to experiment with different textures during your renovation process. Just be sure that everything is properly installed, so as not to hinder the functionality of the room when all is said and done. Small bathroom makeovers. A successful makeover for a small bathroom can be done with the right ideas. Create more space by adding a fireplace, placing your tub on an elevated platform, or demolishing a wall between it and another bedroom. Another option is to merge two bathrooms into one. This will enable you to fit in even more furnishings without feeling cramped. With these inventive strategies, even tiny spaces in the master bathroom can become bright, airy areas full of functional pieces that offer unbeatable convenience. Bathroom layout optimization. Maximizing the interior design of your bathroom can lead to an improved look and effectiveness. Move around furniture pieces and accessories in order to get the most out of your area, or perhaps consider changing up where you locate both your washroom and laundry room for something completely different. Make a plan when it comes to setting apart parts in your restroom, like having separate zones between you and somebody else sharing this space with you. By carefully optimizing that layout, you will result in a comfortable yet efficient environment reaching even beyond expectations. To bring your bathroom into the new era, consider taking on a remodeling project. From modern monochromatic designs to high-tech fixtures, these 21 inspiring ideas can help you create an attractive and efficient space that speaks volumes about your personal style. So why wait? Start making plans for revamping your bathroom in 2023. No matter what design route you decide upon, rest assured that with some careful consideration and thoughtfulness, you'll have a stylish yet functional room where guests will feel welcome, a sanctuary full of inviting character, just waiting to be enjoyed by all who enter its doors.